Chickies, thanks so much for hanging out for a bit today. We are going to be chatting all about the October Boxycharm. We are going to open together the base box and also the premium box. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, please don't forget to give this video a like. It would truly mean so much. It would show your support for my channel, and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So, I've been pretty impressed with the past Boxycharms, and a lot of the things that I mentioned sometimes in favorites videos or products that I end up really using over and over again are from Boxycharm. And sometimes, you know, they have some products in there that I wouldn't have even thought of trying. These boxes were sent to me for reviewing purposes, but I always let you know whether I like it, don't like it. We are first going to open the base box, $25 a month, and inside you're guaranteed 5 full-size items. So let's go ahead and open it. This month's theme is Boxy Spellbound, and the box I have is C211009BA. And the first thing we have in here are some makeup removers, and this is from the brand Blvd. These are the makeup remover towelettes, pore refining witch hazel cleansing. Just about to purchase some makeup wipes, so this is really great that it was in here. Gently removes makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. So wipe cloth across skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone, and it's 100% biodegradable, which is an extra plus. And this is a new launch from Blvd, and it retails for $20. Next one we have here is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Ultimate Glow plus Brightening Highlighting Serum. Wow. Glow Recipe has the prettiest packaging. This highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. And this retails for $34. I'm not even gonna lie, I've tried a couple of Glow Recipe items, and to be honest, my skin just does not agree with Glow Recipe. Let me swatch it. Oh, it smells so good. Have to give this a try, but I'm just letting you know the deal. Have to give you feedback on that in an upcoming video. All right, next item we have here is from Jelly's Beauty. Double-sided wing stamp eyeliner. Okay. Pretty packaging. It's pink, so you have the liner right here. Let's swatch it, which is right there at the bottom. And what is the stamp? Oh, it's to create that wing. It doesn't look as pigmented as the actual liner, but let's read about it. Stamp liner comes with dual sides, one wing shaped and one traditional pen shape. Super easy to use even for beginners. Just press the stamp onto the outer eye area and then use the pen side to connect, and perfect. And this retails for $22. I have to try this out. I'm very intrigued by it. I don't think I've tried a stamp eyeliner before. Next in the box is from Ace Beauty, and it's the Falling For You palette. I'm sure this is going to be a great one for the fall season. Wow. Yes, it does. It has all the fall vibes. Look at those colors. Wow. The one shadow in here that's really calling to me is this one down here called Spice. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And this retails for $34.99. You know what? Let me swatch this Spice color. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna have to play around with this palette. Let's do one more swatch. What about Cider? It's kind of golden. Wow. That looks gorgeous as well. And then we have from Tint. This is called their Lash and Brow Duo in the shade Black Lash and Brown Brow. I love it when companies pay attention to the packaging. It combines two products in one. Mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula with a strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller looking and thicker without clump. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of color for fuller and well-designed brows. And this retails for $29. I'm in need of a new mascara. Oh, it's a very small wand. Really, really small one. So this would be great for the bottom lashes. What about the brow gel? So it's like a medium brown. So overall, base box was full of goodies that I already know I'm going to try out, and I'm very happy actually with everything that's in here. So let's move on now to the premium box. Now there is a change in the price point. I believe last month it was $35. Now it is $39.99, so a few dollars more. In the premium box, you are guaranteed 6 full-size items. The box I have here is C211 0207-PM. The first thing we have here is from Rowan. I think that's the name of it. It's called Vow Brow in the shade medium. Ooh, almost fell. Ooh, it's very skinny. So you have the spoolie on one side, and then you have the retractable brow pencil on the other. Vow Brow is the perfect brow pencil to easily define, fill, and shape any brow. It has a 1.7 millimeter tip. Firm formula is ideal for both precise and natural looking brows. Rowan Beauty is made with clean ingredients that don't compromise on performance, and this retails for $26. I mean, this is a very, very, very small, precise brow pencil. Don't really use brow pencils anymore. Pass this along to somebody else. The next one, oh my gosh, is from Benefit, and this is their Georgia blush. I've been eyeing this blush, by the way. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like peaches. A peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Warm, vibrant peach shade with soft golden shimmer for a hint of glow. This retails for $30. And I love how it has like a bit of a sheen to it. Next item we have is from Tarte, and this is their Man Eater Plumping Gloss. Oh, I love me a gloss in the shade Buff. That's a really, really pretty color. I love the packaging of this. Apply Tarte's Man Eater Plumping Gloss for visibly plumper looking lips. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Value Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swipe. And this retails for $19. This is so cute. Then we have from 111 Skin. This is an antioxidant energizing essence. Ooh. Okay, let's read about this. The antioxidant energizing essence is a lightweight product delivering fast-acting antioxidant properties while enriching the skin with NACY2 and a blend of soothing botanical extracts. The essence will provide immediate hydration, soothing, and revitalization for reinvigorated skin. And this retails for $100. I know this brand is on the pricier side. Really excited to try this out because I haven't used an essence in such a long time. This is from the brand Vor, and it's called Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. It's a mousse. Perfect. I'm glad that there was a hair product in here. A blanket of downy soft snow for your hair shafts. Vor Hair Care Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam is a daily key to crunch-free, hydrating goodness that hushes flyaways and puts your curls on repeat. And this retails for $22. Hold on, I want to smell this. Particular when it comes to fragrances or like scents, especially for the hair. It smells a little bit like bubble bath to me, which is a good thing. I'm gonna have to try this out. I love anything for the hair, especially when it comes to like flyaways, because I always have like a ton of baby hairs just like sticking up. This is from the brand Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. The packaging made me think it was Band-Aids, to be honest, but let's see, what is this? Are these under eye patches? Why inject when you can object to dull, tired eyes with the powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look? It's like an iced coffee for the soul, 30 minutes of bliss. Each fill pad is blessed by a Zen Buddhist monk to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? And this retails for $20. Love under eye patches like this, especially for nights when I slept really late. Pop a set of this into my skincare fridge and try it out. For the two boxes, the base box and the premium box, they were pretty much on par this month. Sometimes I'll say, you know, I always prefer the base box, but the premium box really also just, you know, really wowed me as well. I'm pretty sure we're going to be chatting about some of these in the monthly favorites video. So let me know your thoughts on them. Have you guys tried out any of these products? If you receive Boxycharm, the base or the premium, let me know what was in your box. I would love to know. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and hope you also found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Have an amazing, wonderful day or evening, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.